Where you been, Pumpkin?
They're walking.
Where'd you go, baby?
Huh?
Ah, my change, Big Pumpkin. Ah, go ahead and put that change in Big Daddy's pockets.
That's not.
Mama has a lot of money.
Sabat Maria.
She always has lots of money.
Maria, you want egg?
Hey, Mama. I want.
You want egg? Making eggs?
Boiled eggs.
You want egg with ano?
I'll take a bowl of egg.
With ano ba na yun? Tuna?
Yeah, a little tuna salad, baby. Sounds good.
Yeah.
You got bread?
Yeah, I buy bread.
So I can get me a tuna salad sandwich.
6 na lang nato na.
Sounds like a plan.
This tastes like real Coke. This lollipop tastes like real Coke.
Hey, Forrest G,
Go inside.
use a new one. Big Pumpkin, I bought you a brand new one. Where did you go, Big Pumpkin?
Oh, in the store, then we just walked off. Then I think the drain's dropping. So we just come home.
Why are you so pretty?
Pretty na lang. What nailain?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to today's show. Not sure where the day's going to take us. If it takes us anywhere, it could take us right here to the dirty kitchen. Maybe I'm going to take you on a romantic date
When?
right now, here in the dirty kitchen.
I'm the one who cooked too.
Yeah, you're cooking. Great idea. You're the cook, the chef, but you're also on a romantic date. Hey, husband of the year. Got it locked down. So Maria has some type of sucker, Forrest G. Son, you got kind of a mess going on in the playroom.
But he's gonna eat it all up. He's gonna clean it up.
Okay.
He's a chip monster, and I'm a lollipop monster.
Yeah.
I got that lollipop, 3 mini lollipop inside,
Mm-hmm.
and I eat them.
Man, Forrest G, you dumped all the toys out, man. Forrest G, is that good? What you doing there, old girl?
Making a tuna sandwich. Knowing this, you just
Then
don't
why
want
you
to.
haven't been making it for me?
I thought you don't like it.
What's in here?
Rice. That's last night. Oi, I just eat once a week in rice. Oi. I thought you were going to help me.
They're delicious?
Mm-hmm.
I put the black pepper in there and Himalaya salt. This is dinner and lunch. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Comment sa dira. Comment sa. Please. Uy, nagugas yung kamot ha. Kahapon.
Yes,
Marcos!
I like my sandwich cut preaching style.
You know,
What's so funny? What's so funny?
I just remember something.
Tell everybody what's so funny.
It's just funny. The comment was.
The commenters are really on you about not letting the children take hot showers.
Yeah.
What's your response? Some people say it's abuse.
If child abuse, go call ano, police. Go.
Yeah. What's your complaint? She won't let the children take a shower with hot water.
Go.
The cops probably never took a hot shower in his life. Go ahead.
Go. Go, police. Go, 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 go.
All right, let's see that. Let's see that.
Foreigner abuse. Foreigner abuse
You
na.
know why it's abusive? Because you don't got no sliced cheddar cheese to go on my tuna sandwich.
Ah, listen.
You got any cheese in there?
Go get.
What's your complaint? My wife made me a tuna sandwich, but it ain't got no cheese on it. Maria, I'm pretty sure your mom is not 21 years old here.
Oh, she's 24 years old.
A little bit more, sweetie.
Oh, 26.
No.
Somewhere now.
Oh,
Where's
I
the-
had it 29.
Where's the drinks? You got the napkins, baby. You forgot the drinks.
Sus. My goodness.
Yeah, it's like literally within arm's reach. No drinks for the. In order to get her to put napkins on the table, okay, I bought some napkins, some cloth napkins. I bought some washcloths. Went into a black hole. But it broke down. I bought some paper products. Against my will, my principles of saving the environment. At least now we have napkins on the table.
I'm tired to wash the cloth. Ano eh.
Yeah, but baby, you're saving the environment.
Restaurant nga eh. They have only this one tissue.
Yeah, folks, Forrest G has been so happy. I mean, he's always a happy child. But the past, 3 or 4 days, he has been just like celebrating every moment of every day. He's been so happy. I don't know what it is. I don't know if he just loves going to school. But he is happy from sun up to sundown. A little bit noisy in the background, but hey, that's okay. So, baby, thank you very much for making this tuna sandwich.
Yeah, I make you sandwich after you not kick me out.
Not kick you out.
Yeah, I make that after you not kick me out.
Did you want to read a few of the comments?
All of them.
You read all of them about the hot water issue? Basically talking about Fatima gives the children cold showers when we have hot water heaters on every shower. Because she says they got to stay tough.
Yeah,
Don't want them to be weak. They've been weak.
this is delicious. Yeah.
Delicious. The thing about the aircon too, aircon keeps out the mosquitoes, the flies, and all that stuff. If you're in there sleeping in a refrigerator, mosquitoes can't bite you.
Wait, I just talking about the hot water. Why do you keep talking about aircon like this, like this, like this, like that? I just talking about the ano. Ikaw sabi.
Let's enjoy the comment section. People can talk about anything they want.
Abuse. What kind of that abuse? Only the hot water. You call that, but not in here.
What they don't understand is this is the tropics. It's always hot.
It's always hot in here. That's why we need a cold water. We need cold water to cool off our head, our body. But in your country, it's always cold in there. So that's why you guys want hot water.
Yeah, it's not always cold, but yeah, when it's cold in the mornings and you wake up. Remember we were in Baguio? You woke up, we were so cold in the morning. Okay, we wanted hot water, right?